We've been going on road trips together since 1960. Convenience stores have really changed. They are a treasure for low sodium travelers. When we get gas, we always stop where there's a convenience store. Johnny puts in the gas and I head for the store to see what kind of things I can find. While we were in Washington State, we got beautiful, delicious Rainier cherries. You can almost always find apples, oranges, peaches, pears, bananas. A lot of times they're 2 for 79 cents. That's just not bad. We don't buy a lot of fresh fruit at a time because fruit bouncing around in a ice box in a trailer or an ice chest, after a couple of days, not real good. We just buy what we're going to eat. Some of the convenience stores had bulk foods. Nice. You can go in, they've got big containers, and you scoop out what you want. It's got the nutrition facts on the top. Dark chocolates. About 2 years ago, I was at Sprouts Family Market, and I discovered the dark chocolates. No sodium per serving. So I got a little of this and that and the other thing, put them in little bags and brought them home. About a week later, Johnny says, "Shoot, don't buy me any more of that candy." I said, "I thought you'd like it." He said, "I like it too much." We have one daughter who can take a nibble of candy, and she's good for 3 or 4 days. She doesn't take after us. Most of the convenience stores have boiled eggs, breakfast bars, fresh fruit, York candy bars. I don't have any York candy bars to show you, but there's only 10 milligrams in each one of those. At home, we keep them in our freezer. And they're mighty good like that. And they have bagged candy. Most of the time they have more than one brand. Nice stuff. French burnt peanuts. 14, 0 sodium. Spice drops, 10 pieces, no sodium. Peppermint pieces, 4, no sodium. Orange slices, 7, no sodium. Gotta check your labels. This brand is Food Club. These have no sodium. Check them. Some have a little bit. We just have to check all the brands. Some might have 10, some might have 5, some might have 0. Federal guidelines say if a product per serving has less than 5 milligrams of sodium, it can be labeled 0. That doesn't mean that if you eat the whole bag, you're not going to have a little bit of sodium. More and more of the convenience stores have packages of pre-cut fruit. Have watermelon, cantaloupe, pineapple, and berries in it. We can't carry a watermelon on a road trip, but those packages are mighty nice to have. Whether you're on a road trip or stop for gas on your way to work and you think, I'm getting a little bit hungry, check out that convenience store. Just might be able to find a boiled egg, a York candy bar, some fruit, maybe a breakfast bar that will keep you low sodium through the day. Keep reading those labels.